So with the underside rear floor all treated now, I want to get the rear suspension fitted back on so I can get the car rolling again, because I want to turn it around and have it the other way in the garage for the respray of the outer body. I've laid out the lower arms and all their nuts and bolts on the ground so that I put them back together correctly and make sure I still have everything. I'm aligning all the bolts this way so that the threads are facing the back and get the least weathering. Okay, so now I understand these. They're offset, so you can actually adjust the tracking of the rear wheels by pushing one of the arms in and out. So it just adjusts by putting rotating this, and that moves it in and out. Very cool, relevant to that one. Just going to hook these brake pipes up out of the way. For the moment, I'll tidy them up a little bit when it comes to refitting the fuel tank. But at the moment, I'm really keen to push on, stay in paint mode, and get to the bodywork as quickly as I can. It was interesting to put these drop links into the evaporust and see what way it interacted with the rubbers. I could see even before I put them in that they were already not in great condition, but it did no further harm, but they definitely need to be replaced. So luckily, when I first got the Charade a good number of years ago, well before I started this project, I've used this car on the road for quite a bit. I went through renewing lots of the bushes on the car, and that's why I'm not replacing them now as we go, because they were actually done within my ownership of the car. So I still have these nice new drop links to put on. Tight. Because this car is going straight to the test after I finish working on it, I'm going to leave the old brakes on it because there'll be no time to bed them in. And what I'll do then is I'll do a whole video of just working on refettling the brakes before I start using the car again on the road. My main priority at the moment is to get the car back on the ground, turn around and get on with the bodywork. The state of these backing plates really shows how far we've come. Connecting up the handbrake cable just so I can stop the car somehow when I'm manoeuvring around the yard.